Well, good morning, everyone. It's the morning of day 6. I'm getting ready to go downstairs for breakfast. You guys have already kind of seen this room. We're back at the same hotel in Krabi due to a little bit of flooding and stuff in Suratani. We're going to go there today instead of yesterday. So I will take you with me as I go down there. You've seen it, the breakfast layout. I'll just do a quick little run down there, and then we'll be getting packed up and getting on the road. So I will see you in a minute. Good morning, everyone. Meeting everybody down here for breakfast. Just ate. I'm not going to walk around too much. It's pretty much the same. Ava, C, and Krabi. It's the same food, same everything. So just a short deal on that. Meeting up with everybody except for Chuck. Chuck's resting, and we should be on the road maybe within an hour. And I will see you then. Okay, we're getting ready to take off to Suratani. It should be about a 3-hour drive. It's just 3 of us going. Looks like Joe and Mitch decided to go back to Pachuap and not go to Suratani. So James took off this morning, and we'll be on the way. All right, we'll see you shortly. We'll get a little footage of the drive too. Well, this is our first stop. We're on our way. We're about 80 kilometers from Suratani. Here or no? So we made it to Saratani in record time, I think, 2 hours or less, and checked into this hotel. I'll leave the name somewhere. And looks like I got a little place to get some munchies and Bruce's and a Christmas tree. Holy crap.
It's feeling
Alrighty.
a little bit.
So anyway, I will see you in a minute. Or a second. Well, we're getting ready to leave this morning for back to Joe's. I didn't go out at all last night. I stayed in. Didn't even eat. Just went to sleep. I feel good this morning. No one's down here yet. It's about 10 minutes to 7. I think we're going to leave right about 7. So I will add on to this video when we get there. And then end that, and then I'll have some good Wi-Fi I can upload. I think it's part 3 or 4. 4, I think. Anyway, I will.